Poultry farming and the manufacturing of virgin coconut oil are two major projects identified to improve the livelihood of rural women. The Ministry of Social Welfare, Women and Poverty Alleviation says it will assist women's groups around the country by creating 10 poultry projects and 10 virgin coconut oil projects through its Livelihood Empowerment Program.
Message to the women, let's change our lives, let's change our mindset, let's be more progressive from where we were, take account of the weaknesses maybe or the challenges that we have gone through, and try to address this so that we become more resourceful and more empowered, and also to be able to extend the leadership that we are providing in the family environment to the community and to the nation as well.
When we get opportunities, we must do justice. We must share our talents, our skills. And now we are hoping that women get opportunities to higher level of decision making. We hope that in the not too distant future, we will see the equal representation at decision-making level, 50-50.
Vakambimbi mandana maramani viti. Vakae ndona kae kavivi era vakawele tunga yo vakabini vinaka takana kalo ni solia sana marama vinaka sana maramandina kito mai beto ko ni tigana laklakan lo mani tigungo.
I'm just requesting all the other women who are staying home, just like we Indians, we are coming here, and they also have to come outside from their homes and visit different people and know their cultures and all the other things, learn and just make yourself free.
An example of assistance provided by development partners like the All China Women's Federation and the Indian High Commission, where 1,300 sewing machines have been distributed in over 81 villages around the country to encourage more women to participate in economic activities.
Na lele wira kileo tignindo zuluzula rak tu sarmai subai be erakota mena nonra isuli na kor ni umezula ya baletonga na natali ndi silebio na kalo baka tak lemser na kai tu bikemem na maram ilo mani kor o signi do ngalulong sungu ni daka lamba se bakor o bina kata mau tu takati nandina o tu takati ngana non rambulan na maram ya ni umay bare ti ko kemem na maram lemser ngana ka tibi kemem matim na ngani mem lo man vale kemem gasini wuli na wuni wai ratu matana leni vale kemami don ka lewe ti ko wan maram yo sando nungu basal tu ngabi rama na kor mendayanra ko ni vayang takidala tu na ngauna menda yan rava na nandambula merani daya butak mai na mata bu vale vinaka kina na chico vinaka na koro matenitu me tosare
me nungu basal ngabi kianda na marama sononguna vikema minna marama sononguna sona marama sangani ndongan reba merlakwani songo marama ya nungu bakasalanga dona songo binakango lebu na kai ko sanga tuni kilama ina no mumatu vale kuna mai kila keni ke ruangan ika kakambimbi lebu bimbi ndondo ni okanda ndai buke yang lamuni matu vale.
Such as the construction of women's centers in the 14 provinces and semi-urban settlements in Fiji. These centers will empower women through programs such as management skills. Government is also encouraging all Fijians to advance the rights of women and take advantage of this period of reform to shape a better future for the women of Fiji.